Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we're going to make a gift box that you can use for any special occasion such as Mother's Day or Valentine's Day. And for this craft we will need a piece of square paper. So let's start. So the first step is to fold it into a triangle like that. Line up the edges right there and make sharp points. Crease it down. Do the same for the other side. And crease. There you go. Now we're going to fold it in half. So do that. Line up the edges like that and crease it down. Do the same for the other side. Fold it in half. Line up the edges. There we go. And crease it down. Now I'm going to fold it like that. So fold it into triangles. Do the same for the other three. There we go. And one more time. That's finished. Now we're going to open them up like that. Now we're going to fold it like that into a smaller triangle. Fold it again and fold it into the middle. There you go. And do the same for the other side. Like that. Fold it like that and into the middle. Now this is a pretty hard step, so we're going to take that edge into the middle and do the same right there and crease it down. And then we're going to fold it in like that. Do the same right here. There we go. And again. Then fold it backwards like that. There we go. And do the same. So into the middle and again, then crease it down and fold it up and that and then that and fold it in half. There we go. Now we're going to make it into a heart. So what we do is fold that edge into there and then open it up. Then you can reverse the fold like that. There we go. And then do the same like that, but a bit shorter. So open it up and reverse. There we go. And do the same for the other side. So fold it into the middle and that. Reverse the fold like that. It's a bit hard. There we go. And then just going to leave it like that. That right there. Reverse it. And that's our finished gift box. And if you open it up, it comes out like that. So this is the finished gift box, and I left a message inside it from my mom, and you can actually, well, do any message inside it right there. So I did a Mother's Day message. This box is actually really easy to make, and it looks actually pretty funny because of the heart, and it doesn't look like heart that much. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.